Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Flow podcast. Today, we are talking about something very important for your life and your future: how humans and AI will work together.
Before we start, here are a few key words for today's topic. Future, the time that comes after today. Workplace, the place where you do your job. Skill, something you can do well. Replace, to take the place of someone or something.
Now, let's answer a big question. Will AI replace humans at work?
The answer is no. AI can replace some tasks, but not people. A task is a small job, like writing emails or organizing files. AI is very good at fast, simple tasks.
But humans do more than tasks. We think, we feel, and we understand each other. We have something called empathy. Empathy means we can understand other people's feelings.
AI does not feel anything. It does not know happiness or sadness. It only uses data.
Imagine you work in a store. AI can count products or take payments, but only you can smile, listen, and help a customer who feels upset. Human connection is very important.
So don't think AI is taking your job. Think AI is helping you do your job better.
In this episode, we will talk about how AI is changing work, what new jobs are coming, what skills you need for the future, and how to work with AI like a strong team.
Let's start learning about the future together.
Let's talk about how AI is changing the jobs we already have today. Maybe you have noticed AI in your daily life. When you write a message and your phone suggests the next word. When Netflix recommends a movie to you. When an app helps you translate a sentence. All of that is AI.
Let's look at the workplace. In offices, AI helps people write emails faster, summarize long documents, and organize schedules. It saves time, so workers can focus on bigger ideas.
Here is a helpful phrase. Bigger ideas means creative and important thinking, something a machine cannot do alone.
Let's imagine Sarah, who works in an office. She used to spend hours typing reports. Now, AI writes a first draft for her. Sarah checks the information and adds her own ideas. So AI does the boring part, and Sarah does the smart part.
And in hospitals, AI helps doctors and nurses. AI can look at medical images very fast and find early signs of a disease. But the doctor still talks to the patient and decides what the best treatment is. Humans make the final decision.
Here is another example. In factories, robots build cars and lift heavy objects. They do the dangerous jobs. Humans control the robots and make sure everything is safe.
This teamwork between humans and AI is very powerful. AI is fast and accurate. Humans are creative and caring. Together, they are a great match.
So here is an easy way to remember today's lesson. AI does the tasks, humans make the choices.
We are not losing our jobs. We are changing how we work. And that change can be very exciting.
Because AI gives us more time to do the parts of work that really matter, the parts that need a human heart and a human brain.
Now, let's look at the future. AI is not only changing jobs, AI is creating new jobs too. Jobs that did not exist 5 or 10 years ago.
Here are some examples of new jobs. AI trainer, a person who teaches AI how to improve. Prompt engineer, a person who knows how to talk to AI and get the best results. Ethical AI specialist, a person who makes sure AI is fair and safe. Virtual world designer, a person who builds digital places for games, schools, and work.
These jobs sound cool, right? But they are also very real. Companies are hiring these people today, and the number of these jobs will grow more and more.
Let's talk about Lucas. Lucas is a designer. 2 years ago, he was afraid of AI. He thought AI would replace him. But instead of being scared, he learned how to use AI tools. Now AI helps Lucas create ideas faster. He can make 10 new designs in 1 hour. He is more creative and more successful. He makes more money, too.
Here is an important word for today: opportunity. Opportunity means a good chance for success. AI gives us many new opportunities.
Let's talk about teachers. Teachers will not disappear, but they will use AI to help every student learn in a better way. Some students learn fast, some need more time. AI can give each student the support they need, but the teacher is still the heart of the classroom.
And what about filmmakers and content creators? AI helps edit videos, write scripts, and create sound, so creators like you can tell bigger stories with better quality. AI does not kill creativity. AI boosts creativity. Boost means to make something stronger.
Here is another example. Restaurants are using AI too. AI helps plan food, reduce waste, and speed up service. But chefs still create new flavors. They taste the food, change the recipe, and make it delicious. AI cannot enjoy a meal. AI cannot say, this is amazing.
So, listeners, remember this. If you learn how to use AI, you will have more choices in your career, more opportunities, more freedom.
The future will not belong to people who fight against AI. The future will belong to people who learn, grow, and work with AI.
So don't be afraid. Be curious. Be open to learning something new, because new opportunities are waiting for you.
Now, let's talk about you. Yes, you, our listener. If the world is changing fast, what skills do you need to succeed?
Here are 4 important skills for the future. Number 1, creativity. Creativity means making new ideas. AI can copy, but AI cannot dream like a human. If you can imagine something new, you have power.
Number 2, communication. You need to express your ideas clearly, in English or in your own language. Doesn't matter. If you cannot explain your idea dies. So communication is a key skill.
Number 3, critical thinking. Critical thinking means asking good questions. Don't trust everything you see. Don't believe everything AI tells you. Think. Check. Make sure it is true.
And number 4, learning skills. This is the most important one. The world is changing every month. If you stop learning, you stay behind. But if you learn new things, you stay ready for the future.
Let's imagine 2 workers, worker A and worker B. They have the same job today, but worker A learns nothing new. Worker A complains. Worker A says, AI is stealing my job. Worker B learns new tools. Worker B practices every day. Worker B says, I can use AI to become better. After 1 year, worker A loses their job. Worker B gets promoted. Who do you want to be?
Here's another skill: teamwork. AI can help teams communicate better, but teams need trust. Teams need humans who care about each other.
So here is your checklist for the future workplace. Be creative. Be a good communicator. Think carefully. Learn every day. Work well with others.
If you build these skills, you will not fear the future. You will lead the future.
So now, let's put everything together. We live in a world where AI is growing stronger every day. AI is learning fast. AI is helping in schools, hospitals, businesses, and homes. But you are still the most important part of the future.
AI is a tool, a very powerful tool, but tools need smart people to use them. And that smart person can be you. You can work faster with AI. You can become more creative with AI. You can solve bigger problems with AI.
So, don't fight AI. Don't fear AI. Learn it. Use it. Grow with it. Because the future is not AI versus humans. It is AI plus humans together.
Maybe you're a student. Maybe you're working. Maybe you're learning a new skill. Wherever you are, this is your moment. Start now. Be curious. Ask questions. Challenge yourself. And never stop learning.
And hey, if you enjoyed this episode of the Speak Flow podcast, we want to connect with you. Hit that subscribe button, like this episode, share it with your friends, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new episode.
Also, we want to hear your voice. What do you think about AI and the future of work? Tell us your ideas in the comments. Your opinion matters.
Thank you for listening. Stay motivated, stay creative, and keep speaking with flow.
See you in the next episode.